Hello everyone, we are here at Embedded World 2025 and I am with Tawfiq Ahmad from iWave, and I want to learn more about everything that iWave is doing for our customers and our industry. So tell us a little bit more about what iWave does, Tawfiq.
Yep. So at iWave, we specialize in embedded designs and embedded systems engineering and solutions company. And we are focused on making product development easier for industrial, medical and avionics customers, right? So our portfolio consists of FPGA system on modules, FPGA cards, and we do custom ODM designs for customers. And as an Altera solution acceleration partner, we make sure that customers have access to the latest technology and accelerate their product development journey and make sure that their product development goes at a faster time to market.
Thank you, Tawfiq. So as you know, our Agilex is the leadership portfolio delivering industry-leading performance per watt, and we have amazing breadth of portfolio from top all the way to the bottom. So high-end FPGAs, mid-range FPGAs, as well as low-end FPGAs. And we are really, really excited about the entire Agilex portfolio, which is really enabling innovators all the way from cloud, network, as well as to the edge. So how are you taking advantage of our Agilex portfolio and unleashing greater innovation for your customers? So tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. So leveraging Altera's extensive portfolio on the Agilex series, we want to make sure that that technology is available to customers. So we focus on building system on modules, so across the complete Agilex portfolio. And at Embedded World 25, we are excited to launch the Agilex 3 and the Agilex 9 system on module, in addition to launching production devices for Agilex 5 and Agilex 7. So this spans the complete portfolio of the Agilex-based system on modules. And in addition to system on modules, we are also excited to announce the launch of ODM solutions such as Agilex 7-based SmartNIC for networking and data center applications, and the Agilex 7 and Agilex 9-based 3UVPX more for aerospace and defense customers. So these boards and solutions enhance innovation for customers and building on Altera's extensive Agilex portfolio.
That's great, Tawfiq. So as you know, Agilex 5 at Embedded World, actually here, we announced the production release of our mid-range flagship Agilex 5 FPGAs E-Series, which is truly going to enable those embedded applications across the board. So what features of Agilex 5 are you enabling for your end customers based on these SoMs?
Absolutely. So looking at the Agilex 5, I think the key feature is, and at Embedded World we see the whole trend of AI, so FPGA is becoming FPGA AI, right? So the Agilex 5 is the first FPGA to have the AI fabric infused into the FPGA, right? And we see that in infused AI tensor blocks and enhanced DSP, which makes it more suitable for such sort of edge AI applications. And we build on those features to the SOM leverages the powerfulness of the Agilex 5 series, and we bring out all the transceivers, the PCIe channels, and the corresponding the MIPI interfaces, the display ports. So it makes product innovation easier for customers.
That is super awesome in terms of Agilex 5 and how you're truly enabling the broad-based adoption based upon Agilex 5 SoMs. So shifting gears now to Agilex 3. Agilex 3 is also something that we announced at Embedded World, and we are so excited about it. This is our next-gen power and cost-optimized FPGAs, and here we announced the broad-based availability. They're ready for pre-order. So tell us a little bit more about Agilex 3 feature set that you're enabling for your customers.
So as you mentioned, the Agilex 3 is more suitable for power optimized, cost optimized, and in a very compact form factor, right? So up to 65K logic elements in this very small compact FPGA. So we want to make sure that this compactness, customers are able to leverage it. So with this system on module, which we have launched at Embedded World, customers have the access to the latest, the 12 Gbps interfaces, right? And the enhanced security features on the Agilex 3, the security device manager, and the corresponding AI tensor blocks. Customers have latest access to the Agilex 3 FPGA as well. So we are excited to launch the Agilex 3 and see increasing adoption in edge AI applications.
So Tawfiq, you talked about AI tensor block. We are really excited about adding those AI tensor blocks, especially on Agilex 5 and Agilex 3 based FPGAs. And we believe Altera is leading and pioneering the era of FPGA AI. FPGA AI is defined as the the tight coupling of programmable logic with AI capabilities that is enabling newer edge AI applications. So I wanted to understand how you guys are enabling those edge AI applications with your SoMs that you're bringing to market. Can you share a little bit about that?
Right. So we have seen increasing adoption of edge AI and increasing utilization of FPGAs in such applications, be it medical imaging, surveillance, test and measurement. There's a lot of processing moving towards the edge from cloud, which was done previously, right? So as a system on module, what we do is we sort of take the software, so with the corresponding FPGA AI suite that Altera has, right? So we make sure that the corresponding FPGA AI suite is integrated into the BSP, so customers can easily access and build their algorithms and sort of have access to the OpenVINO toolkit, which sort of then optimizes and does the model conversion. So these tools are integrated into our BSP and our library. So we make sure that with the system on module, the customers can easily build the software application so they can focus on their core competencies and build edge AI solutions focusing on different applications.
That's great, and we believe, we feel like with FPGA AI, it is just more than about just the hardware.
Yep.
We have certainly programmability, programmable logic fabric that is integrated with AI, but we also have our software, and the way our software is designed is really helping our customers stay in the familiar and existing design environment, use familiar PyTorch AI frameworks and tools like PyTorch, TensorFlow, or Onyx, whatever they've been used to, and enabling them to use all those frameworks and still be able to deploy AI in their application. It's just trying to make it as simple as adding IP to your designs. So we're really excited about the capabilities of overall Agilex 5 and 3, and really also how it can unleash AI opportunities, especially at the edge. So I do want to also talk about Agilex 7 and 9. So tell us more about Agilex 9, and as you know, with Agilex 9, we have industry-leading capabilities with integrated data converters, especially for aerospace and defense applications. How's been the market adoption on Agilex 9 from what you're seeing in the market?
Yeah, so the Agilex 9, we have the system on module as well as we have the 3VPX card, and we are seeing increased customer interest in such sort of solutions because aerospace and defense customers want to accelerate their time to market as well. Right, so they are looking for existing COT solutions rather than do a design by themselves. So definitely we are seeing increased interest for the system on module and the 3VPX card. And as you rightly mentioned, the RF processing, the digital signal processing, along with the FPGA, all on a single embedded system, that makes it increasingly interesting for customers to adopt such FPGA COT solution. And if you see these Agilex 7 and the Agilex 9 3VPX cards, these give customers the scalability option and the interoperability, right, which are built for such sort of rugged environments for shock and vibration. So customers are easily able to adapt this into their end systems and take care of the necessary processing peripherals, since all the processing and embedded complexity is being taken care by iWave in building the system. So we see the increasing adoption in aerospace and defense and a lot of traction on Agilex 9.
That is great. We really, really value our partnership. You've been, taking advantage of our entire portfolio from Agilex 9, which is our direct RF portfolio, to Agilex 7, which is our high-end FPGAs, Agilex 5, which is our mid-range products that we are releasing to market now, and Agilex 3, which is our power and cost-optimized portfolio. So this is awesome, the breadth of the portfolio that you are enabling for your customers. So tell us, to our customers, how can they find out more about all these products?
Absolutely. So you can find information on all the complete, from the power and cost optimized to the high-end RF performance, Agilex 3 till the Agilex 9. All these products are available for ordering. You have evaluation kits ready. So you have it available on online channels such as Mouser and DigiKey. And you can find more information on these modules on our website at www.iwaveglobal.com, and also on the Altera partner portal, where we have all the corresponding documentation and available information on the complete extensive portfolio of Agilex based boards and solutions.